নমস্কাৰ মই ডক্টৰ Yashodhan Deka, consultant gynae laparoscopic surgeon আৰু endometriosis specialist at Nalbari Maternity Hospital আৰু Sarathi Hospital Nalbari. আমি বাৰে বাৰে endometriosisৰ কিছুমান special cases, কিছুমান special information লৈ বাৰে বাৰে আপোনালোকৰ সন্মুখত আহি থাকোঁ because endometriosis এটা বহুত অদ্ভুত বেমাৰ, বহুত peculiar বেমাৰ. ইয়াক সম্পূৰ্ণ মেডিচিনেৰে ঠিক কৰিব নোৱাৰি. সাৰ্জাৰী কৰিলেও এতিয়া আপোনালোকে সকলোৱে জানে যে এন্ডোমেট্ৰিওসিস আকৌ উভতি আহে. ইয়াৰ আল্টিমেট ট্ৰিটমেণ্ট হৈছে যেতিয়া আমি জৰায়ু আৰু ডিম্বাশয় আমি দুটাই যেতিয়া সকলোৱে গুচাই দিওঁ তেতিয়াহে বেমাৰৰ সমাধান হয়. কিন্তু এইটো বেমাৰ হয় সৰু ছোৱালীবিলাকৰ ৰিপ্ৰডাক্টিভ এজ গ্ৰুপত আৰু সেইটো কাৰণে চিকিৎসাটো বিৰাট কমপ্লিকেটেড হৈ যায় বিকজ আমাৰ হাতত অপশ্যনছ বহুত কম. আজি আমি বহুত প্ৰাউডলি ক'ব পাৰোঁ যে আজি আমি নলবাৰীত এটা এন্ডোমেট্ৰিওসিস চেণ্টাৰ লৈ ডাঙৰ হৈ আছোঁ আৰু আমাৰ বিভিন্ন চেণ্টাৰ্ছ আছে এতিয়া. আজি আমাৰ ওচৰত পেচেণ্টছ নহয়, ডক্টৰ অহা হৈছে বিভিন্ন জেগাৰ পৰা, ইণ্ডিয়াৰ বিভিন্ন অংশৰ পৰা, ইণ্ডিয়াৰ পৰাও নহয় বাহিৰৰ পৰাও আমাৰ ওচৰত ডক্টৰ এতিয়া অহা হৈছে আমাৰ পৰা এন্ডোমেট্ৰিওসিছৰ চিকিৎসা শিকিবলৈ, এন্ডোমেট্ৰিওসিছৰ সাৰ্জাৰী ট্ৰেইনিং ল'বলৈ. আমাৰ ওচৰত এগৰাকী লণ্ডনৰ পৰা ডক্টৰ আহিছিলে যোনে যোৱা 20 বছৰৰ পৰা লণ্ডনতে আছে, তাতে সকলো ট্ৰেইনিং কৰে আৰু তেওঁ এতিয়া তাতে কনসালটেন্ট হয়. তেওঁ আমাক যোৱা 1 বছৰৰ পৰা আমাক এপ্ৰোচ কৰি আছিলে ফৰ্মেলিটিজবিলাক কমপ্লিট কৰিবলৈ আৰু আল্টিমেটলি তেওঁ লণ্ডনৰ পৰা নলবাৰী আহিলে আমাৰ পৰা স্পেচিয়েল এন্ডোমেট্ৰিওসিছৰ ট্ৰেইনিং ল'বলৈ. আহক তেওঁৰ এক্সপিৰিয়েঞ্চ আমাৰ লগত কি হ'ল আমি নিজে শুনো. ধন্যবাদ.
My name is Dr. Kapoor and I currently work as a consultant in University Hospital of Sussex. I've been doing laparoscopic surgery since 2016-2017, but I wanted to learn about bowel endometriosis and retroperitoneal dissection of the pelvis. So I was looking online, searching for a good mentor who would take me in and who would show me do live surgeries and actually get the feel of which spaces you need to dissect with minimal injuries to the surrounding organs. So I started searching online and I came across Dr. Deka's videos which he regularly posts for difficult cases from like start to finish without any addition, straight on taking through us each and every step. So I started contacting him since last year, probably over last 18 months, and then I applied and wrote to him and he kindly accepted me for the traveling fellowship. So we were back and forth for almost a year struggling with the dates, and finally this September we agreed to start a traveling fellowship program which was started on 8th of September. So I've been here literally for 10 days and it has opened my eyes to completely a different world. How you actually do the dissection, fine dissection, respecting all the capillaries around you, even the minutest bleeding in such small places can obviously interfere with your vision and make you go do the wrong movements. So that anatomy, that fine aspect and precision I came to know through obviously under the guidance of Dr. Deka. I have over 10 days, it's opened a vast world which I'm ready to step into with confidence now. I have done with him retroperitoneal dissection, knowing the anatomy of the pelvis, doing pararectal spaces, also along with that uterine artery ligation, and basically I've seen structures which normally would be difficult for us to even venture or think about. We've carried out many surgeries including bowel endometriosis, discoid resection, segmental resection, just to name few. He also kindly organized a bowel workshop while I was here for almost 3 days, and we had good social networking from people across India, from north to south. So which was a great experience, and everyone shared their experiences, we learned mutually, and so we interacted really well. And that also, and we had like input from the colorectal team who taught us how to do side to sides, end to end anastomosis, which is again a different world for us as gynecologists. The cases I've had hands-on training and they've been quite varied, and the staff are just unbelievable. They are so helpful. They've been trained so well under his guidance over the years that they have really had a good impact on my training and teaching as well while I've been here. To name few, my standout mentors, including Dr. Deka, has been Parag, Biraj, Benita, and Nargis. So they've been really kind to me, accommodating. Even my dissections have been slow, but they've been so persistent and helpful that I've got no words to basically express my feelings. So overall, I've had a great experience, and I would encourage everyone who wants to make their surgery a level higher to come over here and see from their own eyes what kind of experience they can achieve. Even though it's a small city or town, but the team he's created, as you all know, is going places and across the world, nationally and internationally. So I thank everyone, Dr. Deka and his team, for everything, all the days they've given me, and they've stood beside me, almost holding my hands to make this a successful traveling fellowship for me.
Expert teamor hoite Sarathi ase apunar babe apunar logot.